Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this editional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 12th, 2020. This one is a Two Stars Sudoku. So let's continue with the second Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about this number 5 in this column? 5 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for a 5 should be here. Then in this column we have now 5 missing numbers, and one of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then one of the missing number here in this column is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there, or could be here. But we see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Only place for a 7 should be here. Yeah. And now, let me see. How about the number? The number. The number yes, in this third row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6, so I need to wait. Yes, need to wait. How about these 3 numbers again, the missing numbers in the third column. The missing numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 9. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are missing now. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for a 4 are here and there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait for more information. How about the 1? I see here 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in this column should be the number 2. 1 box left in this big square should be the number 6. We have an 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row. The numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. And then how about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 2 numbers are the 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 2. No. We have a 2, 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And then, how about the number? In this row, the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. Yeah. How about these 3 numbers in the last row? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? The 2 numbers are the 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Then these three numbers, the missing numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 8. 2, 7, and the 8. I see here 7 and the 8. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. 1 digit left for the 2. Here goes the 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8 as a pair. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and the 8. How about these two numbers now in the first column? The missing numbers 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And then 1 number left in the last row for the number 9 we have. This should be the number 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. 7 is missing. And now, 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing, and the 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 9 and the 6 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, how about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see now a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. Now we have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. Now we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, this one is faster than the previous one. So I think they need to switch. This should be a 1 star, and the previous one should be a 2 stars. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, a thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this Sudoku video. And I will see you later in a minute with the third Sudoku in today's newspaper and additional. So thank you again, and see you later. Bye bye for now.